In addition to the improvements in the calculation speed for corner finishing toolpaths, Autodesk Powermill 2020 also introduces a new option called uphill cutting, which reverses the cutting direction on the steep regions of a corner finishing toolpath, changing top to bottom cutting into bottom to top motion. In some cases, cutting steep corners in a downwards direction can compromise the cutting conditions, resulting in the increased likelihood of tool chatter or vibration, possibly even resulting in the tool pushing off from the surface to be cut. Not only can this degrade the surface finish, but it can also increase the chance of tool breakage. Uphill cutting changes the loads applied to the cutter, reducing the likelihood of these issues arising. In this example, we have a large part on a 3-axis machine, and we are looking to apply a corner finishing operation with a 6mm ball nose tool in the areas where the reference 12mm tool could not reach. In order to access the full depth of the part, we therefore require a long tool holder assembly, and so we need to minimize any vibration as best we can. We're going to activate the corner finishing toolpath here, which demonstrates the default behavior in Powermill 2019, and select the option to simulate from start. We're going to drop the simulation control speed down a little and then hit play. We can see that when the toolpath engages the steep regions, the tool is moving in the less desirable downwards direction, even though the cut direction is set to any. As mentioned before, this could induce tool vibration, so it is likely that we would have to edit the steep segments in Powermill 2019 using the reorder option to reverse their direction. Let's look at the second uncalculated toolpath. Opening the settings, we can see the new checkbox option for uphill cutting has been switched on in this case. Let's calculate the toolpath. The uphill cutting function only affects the steep areas of the toolpath, which in this case is anything beyond our 30-degree threshold angle. Once calculated, the result looks very similar to the previous behavior, with the approach and retract moves the only indication of a difference between the toolpaths. Let's simulate this toolpath from the start. Note that the tool immediately moves to the bottom of the steep segment and works its way up the part. Uphill cutting in Autodesk Powermill 2020 helps optimize cutting conditions, reduces the amount of tool push-off, and minimizes the risk of tool breakages, resulting in an improved surface finish and maximizing the productivity of your cutting tools and CNC machines.